Hi, Aliza.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Aliza, this is Divya from Quality Department. Today, I want to take a feedback video from your side.
Yes, ma'am.
Before starting that, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Aliza, introduce yourself and about your native and college.
I'm Aliza Khalique. My native is Raichur, and I just passed out in 2024 from Navodaya Institute of Technology, and I recently completed my IDM plus BIM course in CMTI.
Okay, that's nice. Have you got to know about CMTI Institute?
From Google, ma'am. As we were searching for internships in my sixth sem, so we were searching various companies. So we got to know about CMTI from Google. Then we came to know that CMTI is providing us the training to get placements. So we are back here again.
Okay, that's nice to hear. As you told, you have joined for interior designing and BIM. What are the new topics you have learned, and how was the course duration?
It is a 3 months course duration, ma'am. We got to know about the materials, what are the types of materials, and we got site visits also to gain the practical knowledge how that hardwares and materials are used along with the softwares like Revit, SketchUp, and Autocad.
Okay, that's nice. How about your softwares? What are the softwares you have learned?
AutoCAD, SketchUp, and Revit.
Okay. How was the trainer's support towards you in the sessions, in between the sessions, and how about the softwares and all?
Trainers were too good, ma'am. Where we are having doubt and all, they were ready to clarify and all. And also they were giving us assignments such that we can, work on that assignments and gain more knowledge about it.
Okay, Lisa. Where all the site visits you have covered and what you have learned from the site visits and showroom visits?
In classroom, we have gained the practical knowledge, ma'am, like what type of the hardwares and all we have used. Whereas we, in the site visits, we got to see that things and all that how, okay, this is the thing and how they are used and what are the cost analysis and all.
Okay, that's nice. Can you name few site visits where you have visited?
Yes, ma'am, we have visited IKEA, Inframarket, Glamwood, and IBO, etc.
Okay, so, how was your preparation for your interview? How you started preparing for your interviews?
The classes were allotted for interview preparation, ma'am. Even Ashok sir was also taking interview guidance classes, where he told us how to attend the interviews, how to tackle the questions and all. So that was only enough for me, I think so.
Okay, how was your interview in the company? How was the rounds and how you attended?
There were totally 3 rounds, ma'am. First round was totally task based. We were given the task of plan and elevation of TV units, L-shaped kitchen and wardrobe. We were given 1 hour time to complete that. So practicing AutoCAD, practicing softwares is a must, I think so. Then in the second round was a technical round, ma'am. We were asked some technical questions about materials, types of materials, etc. and all. Then the third round was online, where they discussed about the civil engineering background and all, how we have entered into interiors and all. That was it.
Okay, Lisa, for which role you have selected for?
I am selected for junior interior designing at Leeds Place.
Okay, I think you are happy with your role and the placement.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, finally, what you want to say to your friends and juniors who want to join CMTI, who want to attend the interviews?
I just want to say them just follow as per the lecturers and the members are guiding you. That is more than enough, and just all the best.
Okay, Lisa. Thank you for your feedback. Have a bright future. Congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, Lisa.